You know what's crazy? People spend hundreds of dollars every single year on creams, serums, and so-called miracle treatments that are supposed to tighten your skin, erase wrinkles, and make you look 10 years younger. But most of those bottles are packed with chemicals, perfumes, and fillers that don't do half of what they promise. And here's the shocking part. One of the most powerful anti-aging and skin healing remedies isn't locked behind a price tag. It's sitting in your fridge right now. That's right. The humble egg has within it everything you need to make your skin glow, tighten up, heal scars, reduce blemishes, and look years younger. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step, in a way that's so simple, so inexpensive, and so effective, you'll wonder why you ever wasted money on anything else. So let's dive right in, because the secret to youthful skin starts with a single egg. Here's how it works. We're going to use both parts of the egg, but each part plays a completely different role. First, the egg white. This is the clear liquid that surrounds the yolk, and when applied to your skin, it creates a tightening effect that you can literally feel as it dries. Within minutes, your skin feels firmer, your pores shrink, and the fine lines around your face start to smooth out. It's nature's instant facelift. And the best part? It only costs a few cents. To use it, all you need to do is separate the white from the yolk, whisk the egg white until it's a little frothy, and then apply a thin layer across your face. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll feel it working as your skin tightens. Rinse it off with warm water, pat dry, and look in the mirror. Your skin already looks refreshed, smoother, and healthier. That's step one. But we're not stopping there. Because while the egg white gives you that surface tightening effect, the real magic happens when we bring in the yolk. Packed inside that golden center are skin-loving nutrients that no cream can match. Vitamin A to repair damaged skin and reduce roughness. Vitamin D for regeneration. Vitamin E to fight aging at a cellular level. Vitamin K to reduce discoloration and support healing. Plus choline and B vitamins that feed your skin the energy it needs to rebuild itself. The yolk is like a supercharged nutrient bomb for your skin. So here's the trick. After whisking your egg white, add the yolk back in and mix it together. When you apply this combination to your face, you're not only tightening your skin on the outside, but also feeding it deeply with the exact nutrition it craves. This isn't just a mask that makes you look good for a few hours. It's a treatment that helps your skin heal, regenerate, and glow over time. Now, let's take it even further. If you want to push this mask to the next level, add 1 teaspoon of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Not flavored, not sweetened, just simple organic yogurt. Why? Because your skin has a microbiome, just like your gut, made up of tiny beneficial bacteria that keep your skin barrier strong, prevent breakouts, and reduce inflammation. The probiotics in yogurt support this natural balance, while lactic acid gently exfoliates away dead skin cells, leaving you with a fresh, smooth surface. Mix that in with the egg white and yolk, and you've got a triple action mask that tightens, nourishes, and heals all at once. When you apply this, your skin isn't just getting a cosmetic lift, it's being deeply restored from the inside out. So what's the best routine? Apply this mask once or twice a week. Spread it in a thin layer across your face. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. After drying your skin, you'll notice a brightness and softness that feels completely natural, not forced like some store-bought creams. Over time, scars fade, blemishes lighten, redness calms, and your overall complexion improves dramatically. People will start asking what you're doing differently, but you'll know the answer: a simple egg and a little yogurt. But here's something most people overlook. True skin health doesn't just come from what you put on the outside. Your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. That's why eating eggs is just as powerful as applying them. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-rich foods in the world. They're a complete protein filled with amino acids that help build collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. They also contain biotin, which is essential for smooth, clear skin and strong nails. By eating eggs regularly, you're fueling your body with the building blocks it needs to repair and maintain your skin from within. I know what you're thinking. How many eggs should you eat? Well, for most people, 2 to 4 eggs a day is perfect. If you're worried about cholesterol, remember that recent studies show eggs don't raise bad cholesterol the way we once thought. In fact, they provide healthy fats that are good for your body and your skin. The key is in how you cook them. Fry them in olive oil, butter, or coconut oil for added skin benefits, and avoid seed oils like corn or soybean oil, which can actually cause inflammation and damage your skin. When you eat eggs the right way, you're giving your body the ultimate skin food, natural, powerful, and affordable. Think about it. With just one ingredient, you're attacking skin issues from 2 angles. From the outside, the egg mask tightens, heals, and nourishes. From the inside, eating eggs provides the nutrients your body needs to build strong, healthy, youthful skin. And when you combine both approaches, the results are undeniable. Over time, wrinkles soften, scars fade, acne clears, and your face develops a natural radiance that no cream or treatment can replicate. So why spend hundreds of dollars on chemical-filled jars when the real solution is right in your fridge? An egg mask costs just a few cents, takes minutes to prepare, and gives you results that are visible almost instantly. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful skincare secrets you'll ever learn. And once you try it, you'll realize you never needed those overpriced products in the first place. If you've been struggling with your skin, if you've been chasing products that don't deliver, or if you're just looking for a natural way to keep your face looking youthful and radiant, this is it. A simple egg can do what an entire shelf of skincare products can't. And the best part? It's natural, safe, and available to everyone. So go ahead, open your fridge, grab an egg, and give this mask a try. Stick with it once or twice a week, add eggs into your diet, and watch how your skin transforms. It's one of the easiest changes you can make, and the results will speak for themselves. Your skin will thank you, and you'll never look at an egg the same way again.